This is Milo. He's getting ready for a big day at school. But before he leaves, his mom has an important reminder.
Remember, Milo, magic words like please and thank you make every day brighter.
I will, Mommy. I'll use my magic words all day long.
Please and thank you, magic words. Sprinkle kindness like little birds. A smile, a hug, a happy face. Magic words make the world a great place. Please when you're asking, thank you when you're done. Manners are magic and they're so much fun. A little word can go so far, shining bright like a friendly star.
At school, Milo sees his friend Ella building a giant tower.
Can I help you, please?
Of course, Milo. Thank you for asking.
Milo and Ella happily build together. And now, let's discover how manners can be magical. Remember, a simple please and thank you can brighten someone's day. It's amazing how these little words can create such big smiles. Later, it's snack time. Milo gets his snack from Miss Parker.
Thank you, Miss Parker.
You're welcome, Milo. I love your good manners.
At the end of the day, Milo says goodbye to his friends.
Thanks for playing with me, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, Milo.
Back at home, Milo's mom gives him a big hug.
I'm so proud of you, Milo. Your magic words made everyone's day better.
Please and thank you are my favorite magic tricks.